What's the combined weight of the laundry of everyone in the White House weigh? A washing ton. My name is Paul Pasulka, Ivy Masters Learning Center and ivymasters.com. And today we're going to look at Test 6, Section 3, Number 14, which involves laundry. As soon as I see this type of a question, it's a long word problem with inequalities. What I keep in mind is I want to do it in pieces as I go. So I'm going to read it from the top. Laundry Services buying detergent and fabric softener from its supplier. The supplier will deliver no more than 300 pounds in a shipment. So then what I do is I look at each answer choice just based on that first piece of information, and all the answer choices say less than or equal to 300. If I had a sign facing the wrong way, I could eliminate some answer choices. Many cases, in pretty much all cases, you don't have to read the entire thing. If timing is an issue for you, you read up until the point you need to read in order to figure it out. Next sentence, each container of detergent weighs 7.35 pounds. So what I'm expecting is 7.35 to be attached to D. And we see that it's attached to D in answer choice A and B. C and D, it's attached to 14.7 for some reason. So, next piece reads, and each container of fabric softener weighs 6.2 pounds. And so I'm expecting the 6.2 to be attached to the S, and it is. And then next piece, the service wants to buy at least twice as many containers of detergent as containers of fabric softener. So let's ignore the at least. What we want to do is just make sure we have the right things on both sides of the equation or the inequality. You could think to yourself, and you gotta pause to think here, if there's twice as much detergent, then what you actually have to do is double the fabric softener to make them equal. And again, that's if you're ignoring the inequality, just to see what should be on each side of whether it be an equal sign or a greater than or less than sign. And just based on that, you could see that your answer choice, correct answer is A. Checking at least twice as many containers of detergent as containers of fabric softener. So it does make sense that your D would have to be greater than or equal to the 2S. And notice, we read a little more than a half of it. We have our answer. We can mark it and move on. And then you saved yourself some time if timing is an issue for you. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You could share it with someone who has difficulty with these long word problems, especially ones that involve inequalities. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. And click subscribe or hit the bell button. And we'll see you next time. Have a great day.